Flying is a modern marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. It's a complex dance of engineering, logistics, and human skill that connects people across continents and powers global economies. We board planes, often without a second thought, and place our trust in a system meticulously built on decades of unwavering diligence, rigorous testing, and expert leadership. The remarkable safety we often take for granted, the smooth journey thousands experience daily, is not accidental. It is the direct result of a dedicated global community of brilliant engineers, vigilant air traffic controllers, meticulous maintenance technicians, exacting regulators, and highly skilled pilots. These dedicated professionals are guided by experienced leaders, individuals with deep specialized knowledge gained over years of study and practical application. They are true experts who possess a comprehensive understanding of both the intricate technical complexities of aviation and the critical role of human factors in ensuring safety. This essay is dedicated to them, the often unseen guardians who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make flying the safest mode of travel available to us. We'll explore how expert leadership, with its focus on safety and continuous improvement, meticulously shapes every facet of aviation, from aircraft design and manufacturing to daily operations and long-term planning. We'll examine examples of historic saves where quick thinking and decisive action averted disaster, and delve into the hard-learned lessons gleaned from past incidents, which have shaped current safety protocols. Understanding the nature of their work, the challenges they face, and the dedication they bring helps us gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and interconnected system that diligently protects us every single time we take to the skies. Aviation safety is not a static achievement, but rather a dynamic and ongoing story of continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement, a process that is both proactive in anticipating potential risks and reactive in addressing unforeseen challenges, always evolving to meet new demands. Every safe landing, every smooth flight, is a testament to their dedication and a quiet victory for the thousands of dedicated experts who make it possible. Their leadership, though often invisible to the average passenger, is absolutely essential and forms the very foundation upon which the entire aviation industry is built. Without their expertise and unwavering commitment to safety, flight would undoubtedly be a far more dangerous endeavor, and the trust we place in the system as we board each flight would be tragically misplaced. The modern miracle of flight, the ability to soar through the skies with relative ease and safety, is ultimately built upon the knowledge, skill, and unwavering dedication of these unsung heroes. So let's take a closer look and discover just how these dedicated leaders work tirelessly to keep us safe in the skies, ensuring that every journey is as safe and secure as possible. In the intricate world of aviation, where precision and vigilance are paramount, safety isn't just a guideline, it's the very foundation upon which the industry operates. Aviation safety fundamentally depends on leaders. Leaders who truly know their field, possessing a depth of knowledge that extends beyond the surface. These are individuals who have dedicated themselves to mastering the complexities of flight. It's not about generic management principles applied across different sectors. It's about deep practical understanding of the specific challenges and nuances inherent in aviation. It's about knowing the machinery, the protocols, and the environment intimately. Of aircraft, every nut and bolt, every wire and circuit. Operations, from the ground crew to the air traffic controllers, every moving piece. And people, understanding the human element, the strengths and weaknesses that come into play in high-pressure situations. Expert leaders speak the language of aerodynamics, understanding the forces that govern flight. Engineering, knowing how the machines are built and maintained, and human factors, recognizing how stress, fatigue, and communication breakdowns can impact performance. Their experience lets them distinguish minor issues from critical failures, a skill honed over countless hours of observation and analysis, allowing them to make life-or-death decisions under pressure, with the weight of responsibility resting squarely on their shoulders. This expertise is earned through years of hands-on work and relentless study, constantly learning and adapting to new technologies and procedures. When problems arise, these leaders draw on a vast mental library of incidents and solutions, a repository of knowledge built from experience and shared learning. Without this technical foundation, crucial details get missed, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences, and safety is compromised, placing lives at risk. Managers lacking aviation experience may see safety issues as mere budget concerns, failing to grasp the potential ramifications of cutting corners, risking dangerous oversights that can have devastating consequences. True safety culture flows from the top. It's a reflection of the values and priorities set by leadership. When leaders are experts, they value technical truth and open communication, fostering an environment where safety concerns are not only heard, but actively encouraged. They empower everyone to speak up, regardless of their position or rank, and invest in training and technology, ensuring that their teams have the resources they need to perform their jobs safely and effectively. Expert leadership isn't optional. It's essential for maintaining the highest standards of safety. It ensures every decision puts human life first, above all other considerations. That's the core of aviation safety, a commitment to protecting lives and ensuring the well-being of all who travel the skies. The story of the de Havilland Comet serves as a powerful, albeit sobering lesson in the critical importance of aviation safety. It's a reminder that progress must always be tempered with vigilance. Back in the 1950s, the Comet wasn't just an airplane, it was the world's first commercial jetliner. It represented a giant leap forward, a gleaming symbol of technological progress and the dawn of a new era in air travel. But that dream was tragically cut short. After two catastrophic mid-air breakups, the aviation industry found itself facing a profound crisis, a moment of reckoning that demanded answers. The investigation that followed, spearheaded by a team of dedicated technical experts, was truly groundbreaking in its scope and methodology. It set a new standard for how aviation accidents would be analyzed in the future. Engineers embarked on a painstaking process, meticulously recovering wreckage from the crash sites, piecing together fragments of what was once a marvel of engineering. They then painstakingly reconstructed the aircraft, piece by piece, in a dedicated hangar. Every rivet, every panel was scrutinized in the relentless search for answers, for the underlying cause of the disasters. Their deep knowledge of aerodynamics, materials science, and structural engineering guided every test, every calculation, and every crucial decision made during the investigation. Ultimately, they discovered the culprit: metal fatigue concentrated around the aircraft's square windows. This was a hidden danger, undetectable to the naked eye, revealed only through rigorous expert analysis and cutting-edge testing methods. This critical finding transformed aircraft design principles forever. Round windows became the standard, a simple yet profound change that significantly enhanced the structural integrity of aircraft fuselages. Furthermore, rigorous and comprehensive fatigue testing became mandatory for all new aircraft designs, ensuring that potential weaknesses are identified and addressed before they can lead to disaster. The Comet tragedy, though devastating, pioneered many of the modern accident investigation methods and safety protocols that are still in use today. Expert leadership, combined with relentless dedication, turned a horrific disaster into a catalyst for progress, ultimately saving countless lives through improved aircraft design and safety regulations. The invaluable lessons learned from the Comet disaster continue to shape aviation safety standards and practices around the world today, serving as a constant reminder of the importance of vigilance. The Comet's legacy stands as a powerful testament to the transformative power of expertise and the unwavering commitment to safety that defines the aviation industry. In the complex world of aviation, only true experts with their specialized knowledge and analytical skills can effectively uncover and solve the deepest, most challenging problems, ensuring the safety of all who take to the skies. Safe international flight requires more than good planes and skilled crews. It needs global rules. Organizations like the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, unite experts worldwide to set these standards. National agencies such as the FAA and EASA turn these standards into enforceable regulations. Thousands of technical experts certify aircraft, audit airlines, and ensure compliance every day. When new technologies or risks emerge, panels of specialists analyze data and develop solutions. Every rule, from pilot rest to fire safety, is grounded in research and expert consensus. This expert-driven system prevents corner cutting and spreads safety lessons globally. It's a powerful safety net, making flying consistently safe everywhere. Though it may seem bureaucratic, this framework is a quiet guardian over every flight. Expert leadership and regulation is why aviation is so safe. The Boeing 737 MAX tragedy shows what happens when expert voices are ignored. Driven by market pressure, critical engineering concerns about the MCS system were sidelined. 2 crashes killed 346 people, grounding the fleet and shaking public trust. Investigations revealed a breakdown in safety culture and regulatory oversight. Business goals overrode engineering judgment, with catastrophic results. The crisis forced the industry to reaffirm that safety must always come first. Only empowered experts can prevent such tragedies. On January 15, 2009, U.S. Airways Flight 1549 lost both engines after a bird strike over New York. Captain Chesley "Sully" Sullenberger and First Officer Jeffrey Skiles faced a dire, unprecedented emergency. Their decades of experience and calm focus turned disaster into survival. With no airports within reach, Sully made a split-second decision to land in the Hudson River, a move not found in any manual. His expert judgment and precise control saved all 155 people on board. The miracle on the Hudson was no miracle. It was the result of training, experience, and human expertise. Technology is vital, but the human element is irreplaceable in crisis. No automated system could have improvised as Sully did. This event proves why expert leadership in the cockpit is essential. When all else fails, human skill is the final safety net. Expertise saves lives. Aviation is entering a new era. Drones, AI, and automation are transforming the skies. Integrating thousands of drones with traditional aircraft is a massive challenge. Expert leaders are building new systems for drone traffic management, focusing on safety and security. Collaboration among engineers, air traffic controllers, and software specialists is crucial. Automation in cockpits raises questions about the pilot's role. Experts know automation must support, not replace, human judgment. They advocate for transparent, predictable systems that keep pilots in control. The future is about partnership between humans and technology. Only leaders with deep technical and operational knowledge can balance innovation with safety. As aviation evolves, expert leadership is more vital than ever. Technology will keep advancing, but the need for human expertise remains constant. History shows that expertise turns tragedy into progress and creates reliable safety standards. Trust in aviation is trust in the people behind the machines. The human element, critical thinking, adaptation, and sound judgment is irreplaceable. As new technologies emerge, only experts can anticipate and manage new risks. Leaders must have real hands-on experience, not just theoretical knowledge. The safety of the skies depends on expert leadership at every level. Their commitment makes flight possible and safe for generations to come.